Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaavi, and in today's video we are gonna unboxing an engraving tool from brand Kuliao. So let's quickly open this magical box and let's see what's in this. Okay, so first thing we got is the user manual. This user manual contains all the required details that how to use this engraver. So you better not miss this, and some details are given on the box also, and some step-by-step methods that how to create a beautiful design with this engraver. And if you find this difficult, then you can definitely scan this QR code and find some tutorials. Okay, ये तो हो गई हमारी सारी बातें. Let's quickly jump over the main dish. The design is very sleek and up to the mark. Let's see how the grip is. Okay, the grip is also very good, and here is the start button of this device, and it has 3 speed settings. I hope you are able to see it on the screen. You can press the orange button to increase or decrease your speed. The next thing we receive is the cable to charge our engraver. And the another thing we receive is the bits. These are 30 kind of bits, and we can use these bits to engrave on different kind of surfaces like glass, plastic, acrylic and much more. Let's quickly insert this bit in the engraver and let's see how it works. Okay, so firstly we have to loose the lock with this tool that comes in the box. Okay, the bit is inserted properly and we will quickly lock it again. And now our engraver is ready to use, and I'm taking a glass here and I have pasted in paper inside the glass to have an idea where to engrave it. Honestly speaking, it was very time consuming, so I am moving it very quickly, and let's see the final look. However, I am a beginner in an engraving section, but I think this engraver has done a very good job. And if you are planning to buy a budget friendly engraver, then it is a very good option for you guys, and you can find the engraver link in my description box. Okay, thanks for watching till here, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.